Hey, go sit down now, yeah. You see here the leak? See it? Yeah, that's right.
I don't think that's a air conditioning leak.
Right, it's not. That's what the guy thought it was the plumber.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Because the AC is working fine. It's not. It's something. He said it's like a plumbing pipe. You hear the leak though, right?
I hear something. I just gotta make sure that this is draining outside.
Right, that's what she wanted. Yeah,
Okay.
she said that could be cool.
That thing does look clogged for sure. I don't think that's where that leak is coming out of. I think I hear something inside, like some pipe is burst, but I'm gonna go ahead and blow this out.
It's going straight down to the basement. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think that it's coming from here, but we gonna clear this out. Go ahead, do another one. These things are pretty helpful, but ain't nothing like that nitrogen pressure, you know what I mean? What's going on with this? Boy, he better not have wasted that. Okay, so I'm looking at the video. I didn't see anything come out. Very little right there. Where's that leak coming from? They got this right here too. This thing is leaking right here. Wow. Blow this out, and I'm gonna have to take that apart. That's crazy how people do stuff like that. It's not even clogged up right there. Wow, this is crazy. They just put the coil in and just put tape over it. That's ridiculous, bro. Wow. This is wild, bro. Guys, this is all just mastic tape. This is all There's mastic tape and some duct board. Man, this is ridiculous. Wow. Okay, so check it out. I didn't mess that up, but I'm gonna try to go to Home Depot, get some pipe, some CPVC or something like that to try to rig that up, man. It's crazy. Crazy what you gotta do. Man, this house got some issues. Look at this. That's where that water coming out of. So we got that leak right there, and then this. I got some of this. See PVC. Try to somehow rig this thing up, bro. I need a bigger comb. See how much I need. And this whole thing is just man, do not think that's gonna work, bro. Probably not gonna work. Got one of these on here. It might work. It's pretty hard. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. Let that sit for a minute. We'll turn this on. Or I could just put water in here and see if it'll drain out or not. Just gonna pour some water in here. See if I can kind of mimic the drain. Gosh, this looks like crap. It's not leaking right now. Turn this on. Man, this thing is crazy, guys. Does stuff like this. Look at this. This is retarded. I'm gonna start turning down these jobs as soon as I get here and I see something like that. It's just ridiculous. Leaking. Not that I can see. And it's coming down here. Nah, really they need to replace this. And I don't think so, guys. And she had the nerve to say, oh, if you fix that, that's not a big deal, because what's causing the floor to get damaged is this. She's saying that this is in the wall, that it's okay. It's ridiculous, bro. Some people just, I mean, bro, if you hired a cheap person, hire him again. Sorry, guys, I'm not trying to sound like I'm complaining, but I am. Just having a bad day. My van started making that noise again. It's ridiculous, bro. Hey guys, I don't see it leaking. I think this part right here is just where it's oh my gosh, what am I saying? The remaining water that was there. I'm just gonna insulate this just to cover myself and ensure that nothing is leaking. I told her that's a temporary fix, so we're just gonna cover this line up, and then I told her a plumber has to come out to fix that leak right there. Alright guys, so it's been a minute. It's not leaking here. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I just put this on here just so it won't condensate on the ground. But this whole thing is just ridiculous. So Just showing y'all what I ran into today. Okay guys, so my van broke down last week again. Check this out, man. I think it's something with this power steering fluid. It's leaking. It leaked out again. It leaked out last week and it leaked out again right now. I just heard it right now that I got here to this weird call with that weird drain. And then you can see all this oil here on top of the fuse box. You can see all the oil down there. So this thing is empty. So I just called the mechanic that fixed it. And he just told me to put some power steering fluid at the nearest, you know, auto shop and try to get it to him. I don't know if y'all can hear that noise, but it don't sound good. The good thing is O'Reilly's is right here. This thing got nothing in it.